Initially, I joined CourseJet to develop myself in Power BI tool. So just I searched in Google, and since my location is very nearby to this CourseJet, so I preferred CourseJet. That's the main reason. But since they said like it's purely based on online course, so since I thought it should be a physical classroom training, so I thought of applied for it. But they said like it would be online training. So initially I felt somewhat doubtful whether how the course will go on, since it's online training. So the interaction will be with the trainer. So he has to attend each and every student at the same time, at the same moment. He has to address our questions, queries, everything else. So initially I had some doubt, but they said like it would be a one-on-one session, and as the timing will be with our preference. So it was really good. So it's very difficult to get a one-on-one training, your trainer to allocate, and I am extremely thankful to CourseJet for allocating such a wonderful trainer, Mr. Thirumurugan. So really, even though it was a one-on-one session, the attitude of trainer might be different, and everything depends upon how to say is personal attitude. Everything counts. So the way he teaches, so the professionalism which he shows out. So I am really thankful, and really I don't have words to explain about the training given by Mr. Thirumurugan. He did an awesome, wonderful job in getting me trained within a short, I don't say short period. It was overall 35 to 40 hours of training, overall training. So he did a wonderful job. So whatever queries, whatever I have, so he had 100% patience in answering all my queries, whatever I had. So I never met such a trainer before in my life. So even in my official career, so we have regular trainings will be conducted on quarterly basis.